Hey, what's up YouTube? You're watching ShoeDIY, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to take your Adidas Grand Court 2 from this to this, loose laced. And in this tutorial I'm also going to be showing you how to lace both the left and the right shoe. So starting with the left shoe, we're going to take the lace down through the outside first hole, bring it up a little way into your shoe, and then when you take it across the front, just try and flatten it out as much as you can. And then the end of the lace comes down through the inside first hole, again just a little way into the shoe. And then we're going to make sure that our laces are the same length by putting the ends together and pulling up. And in that way they'll be the same. So I'm not going to pull that bar too tight, seeing that we've got a loosely laced style. I'm going to take the outside lace across the shoe to the inside second hole. When you bring it across, if you loop it on your finger, it will just help to keep it a little bit above that hole there to give that nice kind of loose look. Then take the outside lace across the shoe to the inside second hole. It's good to stop at this stage, just make sure your loops are the same. So I'm just going to bring that one in a little bit. Then we're going to take the outside lace across the shoe to the inside third hole. And then the inside lace comes across to the outside third hole. Keep that lace in your hand, bring it across the shoe to the inside fourth hole. And then the inside lace comes across the shoe to the outside fourth hole. Keep your lace in your hands and bring it across to the next inside hole. And then the inside lace comes across to the outside sixth hole. And then it's at this point whether you want to decide to use your hoop in the tongue here. I'm not going to use it today because actually on this style of shoe, the tongue sits really well on top of your foot. It doesn't kind of move around. So I don't feel the need to try and hold it in place with the lace. So to get that uninterrupted look, I'm going to carry on without using it. And then take the inside lace across to the outside hole. And then we're going to keep that lace in our hands. I'm going to bring it across and down through the last hole on the inside. And then the inside lace comes across to the outside last hole. And then what you need to do is to take the outside lace now. Now the bit I'm going to show you actually helps you to stop the shoes from slipping off your feet. So we're going to take it across and we're going to take it out through that last hole on the inside. So best thing to do is to take the laces and bring them up, so you can get the lace down through the bottom of the hole. So bring them up, push that lace through. Might take a little bit of extra push, seeing that you've already got a lace in the hole. Just bring them out a little bit like that, and it'll leave you with a loop. And then we're going to take the inside lace and we're going to do the same. We're going to come across and out through this last hole on the outside. So again, I'm going to pull the laces up out the way, so I can get that second bit of lace through, like that. Just make sure that they match each other. And then you'll find that you've got two hoops here and probably a little bit too much lace here. You might have found as well as you're pushing in, some of your laces become a little bit tight. So just make sure that they're the same as you go up the shoe. And then if this one's a little bit too loose, you can pull in a little bit here. And on this side. And then what you want with these two hoops is to take them behind the tongue. Now you don't want these to be really tight, because as you can see, if I turn the shoe around, I've got a really nice curve on this tongue here, so it sits nice and snugly over the arch of your foot. So if you want to bring the hoops under, and you want them actually as well to fit into that curve, you don't want them straight across, because then it won't be such a comfortable wear. So try and make sure that these loops are fairly loose, and then it will all fit snugly over your foot. And there you have your loosely laced left shoe. Let's move on to the right shoe. So with the right shoe, we're going to start with the outside first hole. So bring your lace up into the shoe a little bit, and then take your lace across, flattening it out, and down through the inside first hole. Again, bring it up a little way, and then we're going to make sure that our laces are the same on both sides by pulling up. If you found that your laces have twisted, like mine have, just bring it up a little way on the one side, and make sure as you bring it down, you're also bringing it down into that one side. Like that. And then you'll make sure that your laces are the same on both sides. So we're going to start with the outside lace first, bring it across to the inside second hole. Catch it on your finger to begin with, so you can get that loop sitting above your hole. And then bring the inside lace across to the outside second hole. Just check now that you're happy with both those two loops. They're looking nice and loose and they're the same. And then we're going to take the outside lace, bring it across the shoe to the inside third hole. And then the inside lace comes across the shoe to the outside third hole. Keep that lace in your hand and bring it across to the inside fourth hole. And take the inside lace, bring that across the shoe to the outside fourth hole. Keep that lace in your hand and bring it across to the inside fifth hole. And take the inside lace across the shoe to the outside fifth hole. And take that lace across to the inside sixth hole. And the inside lace comes across to the outside sixth hole. Then the outside lace comes across to the inside last hole. And the inside lace comes across the shoe to the outside last hole. Then we're going to take that across the shoe and out through the inside last hole. So again, pull your laces out of the way so you can get that lace in the bottom of the hole. And then take the inside lace across, and you want to do the same. So take those laces up out the way, push your second bit of lace through. Just check that your laces are coming out the same amount, and then your 2 loops goes behind the tongue. Like that. So now you have your left shoe and your right shoe loosely laced.